Today I'm going to show you how to make an apple galette. You will need about 150 grams of ready-made puff pastry, 1 or 2 eating apples, a teaspoon of apricot jam and a little milk to glaze the pastry. Preheat the oven to 210 degrees centigrade or 7 gas. Sprinkle a small amount of flour on the work surface and on your rolling pin. We're going to roll the pastry into a rectangle of about ½ centimetre thick. Put even amount of pressure on both hands, so you're rolling the pastry evenly and trying to keep the shape. Turn the pastry after each roll, so forward, back, and then turn. This way you can check that the pastry is not sticking to the rolling pin. Take your time in rolling out the pastry and don't put too much pressure as you're pushing down on the rolling pin. Don't worry if your shape's uneven and stop rolling once the pastry gets to about ½ centimetre in thickness. Now we're going to spread a small amount of jam in the middle of the pastry. Place your pastry on a baking tray. Wash your apple and then carefully cut in half using the bridge hold. Place the flat side of the apple down and cut into quarters. Cut each quarter into slices and safely remove the core by placing each piece of apple on its side and just cutting out the centre. Arrange the apple on the pastry. Leave about 1 centimetre of the pastry around the edge. Fold over the edges of the pastry and just gently press down. Brush the edges of the pastry with a little milk to glaze. Place in the oven for around about 20 minutes until the pastry is golden brown and crisp. There you have a delicious apple galette.